Today, I'm going to teach you how to manage and prune hydrangeas. Its flowers have almost fully bloomed. Many people would count down 2 sets of leaves from the top and prune above the bud point. However, I do not recommend pruning here. Look, this bud point is quite small. Let's look further down. Isn't this bud point fuller than the one above? I suggest pruning just above this bud point, about 1 centimeter, leaving 2 strong buds. For stemless varieties that tend to droop, pruning this way helps keep the remaining branches short, to prevent them from toppling due to excessive height when flowering next year. This variety of flowers on both new and old wood. After the first wave of flowers bloom, we should prune it in time. After pruning, apply fertilizer. By August, the branches that haven't bloomed will bloom in a second wave. This one was a small seedling I planted last spring. After a year of growth, the branches are still not enough. Only 1 strong branch has not bloomed, so I pruned it off. Look at this very weak branch. This was the branch when I bought it. The new branches that grew after pruning are still weak. Leaving them on top not only blocks sunlight and air circulation for other branches, but also consumes nutrients. I directly cut it off at the base. Here's another one. This gives more space for other branches to grow. Our pruning principle is to remove the weak and keep the strong. After pruning, what remains are all new branches that sprouted this year. Next year, the plant will have a larger canopy, although stemless varieties flower very well. Another point to remember after pruning is to apply fertilizer, so the plant can recover quickly. This will be beneficial for next year's blooms. Choose a balanced compound fertilizer containing nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Compound fertilizers offer more comprehensive nutrients, but be sure to use a light application. Never use fresh manure or farm fertilizers. Apply fertilizer about once every 2 weeks.